In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively manage your bills using our easy-to-follow system. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be confident in creating, editing, tracking, and paying your bills through a streamlined and efficient process. Let's start by directing our attention to the Expenses tab, which you should see clearly marked. Once you're there, you'll want to select Bills. This section is your hub for everything bill related. It not only allows you to input new bills, but also provides a comprehensive overview of outstanding and past bills, ensuring you never lose track of payments. Creating a bill is the first step. Click on the New Bill option, which will bring up a form where you'll need to enter details such as the vendor name, the amount due, and the due date. Make sure to double check these details for accuracy. This will help ensure you're recording your liabilities correctly and are well prepared for upcoming payments. It might be helpful to include a brief description of what the bill is for, especially for those recurring expenses, to avoid any confusion later on. Once your bill is created and saved, it is added to your list of expenses. If you need to make changes at any stage, perhaps if an amount was incorrect or a due date changes, simply locate the bill in your list and select the Edit option. This will let you adjust any fields as necessary. Always remember that keeping your records accurate is crucial for effective financial management, so take a moment to review any details before saving your changes. Now that you have your bills recorded and updated, it's important to know how to track them. Your bills section doesn't just list these expenses, it acts as a dynamic organizer, allowing you to sort and filter your bills by date, vendor, or amount. This feature lets you gain insights into your upcoming obligations and helps in planning your financial activities. But of course, tracking isn't enough. You need to actually pay those bills too. For paying bills, you'll use the Pay Bills option. Here you'll be able to select the bills you wish to pay, specifying the payment method and the bank account you'll use to make these transactions. This process helps you maintain an up-to-date account balance and avoids any late payment charges. Be sure to check that the correct amount is being paid before you confirm the transaction. By following these steps, you will have effectively mastered managing your bills in a way that is structured and stress-free. With accurate creation, diligent editing, effective tracking, and prompt payments, you're set to achieve financial fluidity in managing your expenses. Thanks for joining me today, and I hope you find this guide helpful in keeping your financial affairs in order.